Good evening, friends. This is Sanat Kumar Dubey, and I'm standing beside lemon tree. And the idea occurred in my mind that be it a fruit or be it an animal, be it a human being, all have to go through different stages. So here we will see the example from this lemon tree. As you can see, this is the flowering stage. Here the tree is flowering, and after that you can see here the flowers have converted into fruit. So this is the initial stage, infancy of this lemon. Then we come to next stage where you can see this is a bit grown, and this is this can be said to be the mature stage. This they are in the mature stage, and then we come to the last stage where you can see the lemons are changed its color from green to yellow, indicates that they are quite ripe. So friends, this is the law of nature, that everything has to go through different stages. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Goodbye.